Hey guys, there is plans for the Cars Show Season 2, Driving Everywhere, Friday. So, I planned this up last year, however, during this pandemic, schedule had been canceled at the last minute. So, starting with this year, alright, this whole particular year, I have several discussions that the Cars Show especially had 26 episodes, much like that of Thomas. So, I thought to myself, well, we're gonna produce 26 episodes. So I did. Yeah, 26 episodes were produced. So there was going to be 27 episodes. However, that was cut to 26. So, we're going forward to the usual 26. And that'll work well.